This is the Logitech MK540. It's a mouse and keyboard combination. It goes for $49.99 on Amazon. And this bad boy here is beautiful for a lot of different reasons. For one, when I first started using FL, the only keyboard I had was the keyboard that came with the computer, which led me to always using this in my workflow. It's very comfortable. All I have to do is just press my keys and it'll play my sound. But you can also disable that and enable a function where you can use the short keys and you can move back and forth between the session and doing different functions a lot faster and quicker. I leave it on this one because it's just more comfortable and most familiar with me. So with that being said, I encourage any and everybody, even if you don't do anything artistic, it's just convenient to have because it's wireless. You can walk around throughout your house, throughout different places, and you don't have to be stuck in front of your computer. And depending on what device you plug it in, it can also work on TVs and other things as well. So just if you do get one of these, try it out on different devices. That's my kind of philosophy on technology. Just plug it in and try it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But if it does work, you'll be surprised at what it does. So with that being said, this is the Logitech MK540 MIDI keyboard. With that being said, this is the Logitech MK540 wireless keyboard mouse combination.